Hello everyone. Well, today I thought we'd go over the sounds that we've already done last term. So the different sounds that we have done is g, 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 and oh. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to pick a sound and see whether you can get the right sound. So this one, I would like you to do g, g, g. See if you can find the sound g, g. Okay, you ready? Let's go in. Did you find it? Shall we see if you were right? Let's go. Where's g, g, g? There it is. Did you get that sound? It's g, g, g. So what we do is we get our pinky pointer and we go around her face, down her hair and give her a curl. Okay, the next one that you're going to see if you can do is oh, oh, oh. Ready? Did you find it? Let's see if you were right. Oh, oh, oh. So we have our pinky pointer and it goes all around the orange. All around the orange. Now let's see if you can find p, 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 p. You ready? You shout when you find it. Did you find it? Let's see if you were right. There it is. Yay! Did you get it? Now this one is and we're going to get our pinky pointers out again and then we're going to do down the plait and over the pirate's face. Down the plait and over the pirate's face. So the last one we need to find out is k, k, k. Let's see if you can find it. You shout if you can find it. We're going. Did you find it? Let's have a look. Were you right? K, k, k. There it is. So our k, k. We get our pointy fingers out and we're going to do it. And we're going to go curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. And I hope you got them all right. If you did, well done. If you didn't, it doesn't matter. You just keep trying. Okay, you take care. See you soon. Bye.